Hi everybody and welcome back to Visit FYLDE Coast. I'm on Cleveleys Promenade at the moment. Well, I'm not actually at the minute, I'm right next to the clock because I've just been doing a live broadcast from the seafront and some market research, and I've been asking what you'll want making in terms of videos for this winter, because obviously we've got a weather problem coming up. It was supposed to be raining today, and as you can see the sun decided to come out. So there was I expecting to get drowned, and it's sunny. So it's forecast rain for tomorrow, so I thought I'd join you on my walk down Victoria Road West. I've got an appointment at the Opticians and some bits of shopping to do. So I will keep joining you in bits and bobs, and we will walk down the high street together. I just want to point this out while I'm here. The clock shelter, it was November 2014, it's 6 years since we did this, and it was declared finished when the Christmas lights went on. And this was the first thing that I did with Visit Cleveleys. There'd been a rumour going round that it was going to be removed, and nobody wanted it removed. It was in an awful state of repair. The roof was just about hanging off because it had been damaged in a storm. I'll just point out this bookshop. This is Eric's favourite bookshop. Eric is one of our regular viewers. Yeah, so the roof was hanging off, so I set to and decided that we'd do something about it. So we did a campaign and saved it, and it's still there. It's ready for some more work, but I think all the lovely work that we did in Cleveleys is going to have to wait now until next year, because of course the coastal community team, otherwise known as Care for Cleveleys, had done loads of work in the town to make it look cleaner and brighter and better and nicer, but unfortunately coronavirus put paid to a lot of that, didn't it? Oh, it's windy. So I'm going in the works in a minute. That's my pilgrimage, going in there. I'm going to go and see what I can see when I get round this corner. A little mission to sort out, so I'll see you in a minute when I've been and done my shopping. So that's good news. Apparently the works has not been any quieter since we went up a level in lockdown. Just been asking the lady that served me on the till, and she says it's been just like it was before, but she thinks people are buying Christmas presents and panicking and getting organised because they don't know whether anything worse is going to happen than has already happened. So I guess we'll have to see. But I must have dropped on a quiet minute because it wasn't sort of problem busy, and I'm off into Family Bakery now for some tea cakes. Are they tea cakes, are they balms, or are they bread cakes? That's the question, isn't it? So this is where I'm going now. And if you've never had anything out of Family Bakery, I would suggest that you rectify that, because their food is lovely, and I think this is my friend. It is. I'll join you in a minute, she'll kill me. So I've just made Lorraine jump out of her skin, and now, oh, that's loud. And now I'm going to leg it to the Opticians, because my appointment is in another 5 minutes. So I need to be quick. What are they doing? They're doing something at the shipwreck. Oh, I think they're having a I think they're having a awning. That looks interesting. Plenty of places to have a cup of tea in Cleveleys, which is a good thing really, because, well, you need to recharge your batteries while you're dashing up and down and queuing. This is one of the jobs that our community volunteers have done and looked after. There were no plants in that when we started. Looks lovely. Still looks nice even all this time later. Right, so I reckon that this is what they're building at the shipwreck. I think they're putting an awning on like that one. At the coffee bar, that's another good spot for a drink as well. Know where all the haunts are. I think we've been in every cafe in Cleveleys. So I'm going to go to the Opticians and see what they make of me, and then I'll join you outside, and I need to go across to the post office and post an order for somebody for Seaside Emporium. So I will see you in a minute. I will go and stand outside Specsavers. So let me in. Toodaloo. Goodness, that was an epic. I've been and seen and conquered. I've ordered my new glasses, so hopefully everything will become clear now. So I'm making a brave step into the world of the varifocal. So we'll see. At least I should be able to see my phone and see what I'm videoing and not trip up at the same time, which will be a big improvement. So I'll let you know. We'll keep you posted. Right, so it's a lot more cold now than it was when I went in the Opticians. So we'll pop across to the post box, and then I'm going to leg it back to Rabbit HQ, and I think it's time for a nice cup of tea at that point. So don't forget, folks, you need to subscribe for our Visit FYLDE Coast YouTube channel. Make sure you've hit that bell for notifications, and make sure you subscribe for our weekly email newsletter as well. And then you'll catch all the updates when we go on all our weird and wonderful expeditions in future. So I'm going to put my post in the post office, which is just here on the left. So I will love you and leave you, and I will see you next time. Bye. Bye for now. Bye.